Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to change password in Gmail. So first thing you want to do is open up your Gmail app on your mobile device. Now tap the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Then tap on the Gmail account which you want to change the password. Tap on Manage your Google account. Then tap on Security. Under the signing into Google, tap on Password. Now, you may need to sign in again for security purposes. Then enter your new password and confirm it. You should choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. Then just confirm the new password. And then click Change Password. And now your Gmail password has been changed. And make sure to update the password on any other device or services where you use this account. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!